Esteemed viewers of Edo CBC, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you for the time until they watch this video. My name is Soakaway with Jimmy. This afternoon, we come one side, come inspect the work when one of our esteemed viewers gave one of the plumbers when they for Edo CBC. We deal with the Oga for site. Oga, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Oga.
Oga, how work?
We thank God.
Okay, for viewers when they watch you for the first time, make you introduce yourself today.
Okay. My name is Mr. Benjamin, a plumber. Plumber when they do piping for the first stage, the second stage when they connect Soakaway, the third stage when they hang tank, do fittings, jacuzzi, water heater, smoke extractor, washing machine. Basically, everything about plumbing work now they do.
All right. You said this site when you come work now one of our esteemed viewers give you this job.
Yes.
Okay, make you use this time, take appreciate and know that's when don't give you job through Edo CBC.
Yes, I want to positive thank you for the time when you take trust me with your job and your money. And I say, may God continue to bless you and give you more money to continue the house and your cycle also finish. And for those who don't give us for the past, we will say thank you. And for those who give us for future, say thank you in advance.
All right. So all our esteemed viewers, as we always the happy to now, if we not give enough our partners work, make una always the call us to confirm if this person still there with us. Our phone number they display for the top of this video. All right, Oga, maybe we start. You say now which work you do for here, sir?
Okay, this one at the first stage of piping.
Okay,
now this
piping. Now do for
yes.
Okay.
First stage.
So now how many toilets and the kitchen there for this side?
Okay, because these are now two buildings. This first building are now 7 toilets plus visitor and the 3 kitchen. I did this building.
Okay, for the first building.
For the first building. Okay. While the second one now 4 toilets plus 1 kitchen.
1 kitchen.
Yes.
Okay, so now 2 buildings now.
2 buildings.
Now,
yes.
now. All right. So now, what is the quality of material when I use for this job?
We use PPRO. That is also
okay,
PPRO.
This one, now they call PPRO.
Yes, I call PPRO.
Wonderful. All right. Okay, we're there for one of the toilets. Now, we'll start now. Make you the show us.
Okay. This one. So for this side,
yes.
Now you be the wash hand basin.
Okay. Now
you wash hand basin one day.
Here are toilets now.
Yes, this one are the toilets.
Okay.
One of the master toilets. So this one I be wash hand basin drain. That be this one. This one are the wash hand basin supply.
Okay.
Now the wash hand basin in one day. Later to come. While this one now be the wash hand basin tap.
Okay.
Because at least it go make all bedroom they get tap. Not be only for Misa. Okay. They get tap. In case if any tap for here, I make introduction and tap for the bedroom.
Okay.
When I be the Misa, now they'll call school shower put so they go up later.
Okay.
This place this so.
Okay.
If you look down here,
yes.
This one are flood the day. We la close everything because you can the put smith make it not block them.
Okay.
Now be this one so.
Okay.
If you look up,
yes.
You shall say this place now be the hot supply. This one now be the cold supply.
Okay.
Now here now water tank in one day.
All right.
Later so.
All right.
While this supply now be supply to this WC. While this one now be bumper wash. Now the bumper wash in one day later.
Okay.
I say before this bedroom.
All right. Okay. We'll go to the next bedroom. Okay. What of this side?
Oh, that move to this one. Washing machine.
Okay. Okay. Move.
This side so now say on that one master bedroom so.
Okay.
This one now wash and basin. This one wash and basin drain. So wash and basin supply.
All right.
This one so now be the tap for the wash and basin. While these two now be the shower one day. We to go. But be there come missile leg. Now be this place. If you notice so you see white something.
Yes.
Like thread. So when we put us so.
Okay, the feel
if you go with of dirty, maybe we now enter the pipe. Okay. So we just close and back. Okay. So after everything, maybe we work on the solution. Now we remove one, everything will still meet back again. This one we did down, now be flood in case water enter ground. Now be this one so. Okay. This one dey up so, now be the missile tank one come. So now this one so, now be the hot supply. So now be the cold. So I say this one, it dey left hand side.
Yes.
So we put a design missile they come. Everything, anything will be left, now be hot. Everything be right, now be cold.
Okay.
While this one so. Now be the bumper wash. Now bumper wash one day.
Okay.
This one so now be the WC drain.
All right.
While this one so now be supply to this WC. You know say this toilet just is small. Just draft out everything inside.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
That can go to the kitchen or the washing machine side. This one so
yes.
Now be the washing machine supply. Here be the washing machine drain out.
Okay. Now washing machine go there here.
Washing machine was this place.
All right.
While this place now be the kitchen.
Okay.
For this apartment.
All right.
This one now the supply to the kitchen. This one the sink.
Okay.
So because this one now for tenants. Okay. So you don't get any extra features. Apart for just these two.
All right.
Something. Make I go the visitor toilet. So this one so
Yes.
now be wash and basin. No say for instance we have visitor, you also only wash and basin tap and WC dey inside.
Okay.
This one the wash and basin. Now the wash and basin one day. The supply be this one so.
Okay, sir.
Now the tap be this one for the wash and basin.
All right.
This one dey down so now be the floor drain. In case if water or maybe one mop, that be this one so.
Okay.
Why if you come now, this one now be the WC.
Okay.
Why this one so now be the supply to this WC. So this one so no need of course put a bumper wash.
Okay.
But so maybe the person come that later you get how to do regulator for this place.
Okay.
We'll go
They
back.
go put am.
Okay. For this area so.
That's
So we'll go the middle apartment.
All right. So they go the apartment when they behind.
Yeah, the second one.
You see, say the work we gotta do for you, not be small work. Okay. Okay, now the entrance with this
Yeah, that's this also for the second apartment.
Okay. Don't come the toilet now.
This one also now another master toilet for the second apartment, which
All
also
right.
this one be the wash and basin. This one be the wash and basin supply. The drain be this one with the water come out.
Okay.
While this one so now be the tap for the wash and basin.
Yes.
These two so now be the missile. Now the missile leg, one they call missile leg.
Okay.
Then one there be this one so. While this one will dey down so now be floor drain. You should say we don't really close everything already.
Yes.
While this one will dey up so, I heard the water tank one day. The water tank supply for the horse I be this one. The coal I be this one dey right. So everything they close everything around.
All right.
So this one that be the WC will certainly come out. This one so that be the bumper wash
Okay.
for this place. While this one that be supplied to this WC. This one right there so that be washing machine.
Okay.
So the washing machine drain out. While this one so that be supplied to the washing machine. This one I see on that one for the second thing, because na two bedroom.
Okay.
This one so na the wash and basin waste. This one na the supply.
Okay.
This one na the tap to the wash and basin. This one so na the mixer. Mixer, they call am mixer leg. I be this one so. While this one so na the wash and basin drain be this one so. This one dey up so na water tank one day. This one na be the cold supply, so na be hot supply. So I say e dey right, e dey left.
Yes.
So e be. While this one so that be bumper wash, bumper wash one day later.
Right.
This one na the WC waste. While this one na the supply to the WC.
Okay.
So for this one.
All right.
While this one na be the kitchen. I thought before so na these two things na be the thing wey dey. You no get extra features for this place.
Okay.
This one na be the supply to the kitchen. While this one na be the wash and basin.
Now as the inside still at 190 design like
Everything
this.
one time. Now only for the other side. Now everything just complete.
Okay.
Put.
Okay.
Everything one time. So I say dey for this side.
All right.
Carry go the
Third apartment.
third apartment. That's the last one on this side.
So this PPR material when you use now, what in this ice you choose?
Yes, everything choose. These are the three-quarter. They see half inch here, see 1 inch,
Yes.
three-quarter they use for inside.
Okay. So now 3/4 I use for here.
Yes.
Okay.
Already.
Now well done, sir. Okay. So we don't come to the apartments. All right.
So this one now be the last two toilets in this place. So
Okay.
this one are the wash and basin for this side. While this one are the supply to this wash and basin with this one.
All right.
This one are the tap for this bedroom. So while this one be the missile leg where the screw shower put.
Okay.
So you know say once not bad, you have to lose this mat to your screw. You know so you call the shake again. Now make your push and down come.
Okay.
While this one did down, that the floor drain.
Okay.
This one na the bumper supply. This one na the WC waste.
Okay.
While this one na the supply to this WC. That is this place. Yes, so. If you notice, I say I not put but I separate. Why? Because say
Yes.
now one this thing I dey. Now one fence na share the same place. So that I could discuss with you. Man, say make I put one WC, one heater. So I want they come into this place. Now they control that same side.
Okay, the heater when go there for this toilet now.
They come to that side.
You go still go to that
the next bedroom. Because
where would they come from just now?
Yes.
So they feel work like that.
Yes, I say they have to work together like that. So.
Wow.
And also they have to tell the plumber how you want her. Will tell me. So you tell me say be like so okay. Do I when you not let the well will separate.
Okay.
Do I when they exactly the same place we link it together. So this one will link on. Okay. This wash and basin. So now this wash and basin. This one is supply to the wash and basin. Okay. This one at the tap to the wash and basin. This one will be the missile leg. Right. Inside the be this one so. Right. This one will be down. That be floor drill. Okay. Everything closed. If like dust, if you come out, you see land inside. Sorry. This one so. Now here like the water tank one day. The supply for the hot be this one. The supply for the cool be this one. Alright. This one so that be the bumper wash for this place. That be this one so. While this one that be the supply to this WC. This one is the WC drill where the people they go out. Okay. That's what it is for this place. Okay. Now show the kitchen.
Alright, the kitchen now. So, right.
This one at the kitchen for this last apartment. Now the supply that be this one. While at the waste that be this one. Okay. So before you so, I'll show you around the.
Okay, we don't through for inside.
Don't for the inside there.
Right,
for this building.
Okay, we'll go outside now. All right, we still deal with Mr. Benjamin, the plumber, when we do work for this house. We don't carry us come the back. Now the first building we did now. Yes. So it don't take us go around for inside. So once see as the work take come outside from the building. All right, Ogamo will start. Is here at the back of one of the
back? What we tell them also. This one so now be the WC waste where the people for the come out. We go take that Soakaway later. That be this one so. This one at the wash and basin and the drain. That be this one. Okay. Well, this one I see the wash and basin and the drain for this side. That be this one. Okay. Like the WC waste. That be this one so. Right. Well, this one be the supply. So now you log this. So now supply this place. Yes. Okay.
So this supply I go.
Yes.
Go for these two toilets.
Yes, I go for these two toilets.
Okay.
So actually for this one so.
All right.
And this one be the kitchen back, so that be also. Right. You notice I say this you get what with this place I cannot see have this thing so there. Okay. So. Yes, because this is a kitchen, so it is the block for oil. So now continue to use tea here. So in case if anything happen, you come out the car block, we chook anything put, it will pass here, come down. Okay. I make they put this tea here, so okay. And the supply be this one. I be so supply to this kitchen. Right. And the wood that be this one. Say before this apartment.
Okay.
For this one, for this middle apartment, this one so that be supply to this toilet, this place, this toilet so right. Supply. While this one so that be WC where the waste for the come out. Okay. That the waste for this where wash and basin and the floor drain and waste with this one so. While this one that the kitchen for this side so that the waste with this one the drain out to come out and be this one. While that be supply. That be supply to this kitchen. Okay. So still for this side. So for this side, so this side, so this side are the front apartment. So this one are the waste, WC waste. That be this one. So this one are the wash and basin and the floor drill waste. That be this one. This one are the supply to this place. That be this one. So while this one that be the wash and basin. Okay. For this place. So all this one together, now get this place for this side. So all right. That's how I come inside. This one now the kitchen for the front flat. All right. And the waste that be this one. So once I supply to this kitchen, that be this one. Okay. This one are the visitor toilet side. This one. So this one are the WC waste with this one. This one are the wash and basin, the floor drill waste. That be this one. So this one are the supply to this place. That be this one. While this one are the wash and basin, that the waste that be this one. So okay. So now I can show you the other side of it.
Okay. The other side of this particular
building. Of this particular building. Okay. This fuel, give them the fuel.
Okay, so we don't come the other side.
This one, so yes. Now this side, so now the wash and basin. Now be this one.
Okay, this one na kitchen be this.
No, this one the toilet for the front flat.
Right, okay.
This one, so now this have the floor drill and the wash and basin. And the waste be this one, so okay. This one are the 4 inches to this side. That be this one. While this one are the supply. to this place. That be this one so.
Okay.
So for this one so. Come here, sir. This one so. This one, if you can't look this one, this one are the floodry or the foliage are the 4 inches for this side. That be this one so.
Okay.
The 4 inches for the waist. That be this one so. This are the supply to this place. That be this one so.
Okay.
You see for this one so. So you also they finish for this
First
side,
apartment. So we enter the second apartment.
Yes.
All right. We don't enter the second building now, so we want to start from the inside.
Okay.
We want to start with this one. Will be like
This
visitor
is the
toilet.
visitor toilet. That be so. This one are the wash hand basin drain. That be this one so. While this one are the supply to this wash hand basin. That be this one. This one are the tap for the wash hand basin.
Okay.
That be this one. While this one they down so na the floodry to this place. That be this one. This one that be supply to this WC.
Okay.
So WC waste.
Okay.
Maybe for this visitor toilet side. This one now one of the master bedroom.
Okay.
You notice say this design is different from the rest.
Yes.
Different from the rest design. So the client we don't discuss about it. He tell me say na glass bedroom na one day this place.
Okay.
So now this glass bedroom na two will be. Now to one day once they the outside.
Okay.
That be this place. So
Okay.
he can't show me. I can't look everything. No design. I can't draw the plan. Show and design how you want to be. We don't think she can't show me how. He can't show me the design when more follow. Because that's no problem. So this place now the wash hand basin.
All right.
This is the supply to wash hand basin. I had the wash hand basin one day. Maybe I'll call there later. So
Okay.
this place. This one are the drain for this place. Now two drain this place. This one are the drain for this side.
Okay.
This one are the WC waste. This one are the supply to WC waste. Okay. This one are bumper wash to this one. This now here the bumper wash for day. So from this place, from here, from this place down to this place, now glass one day.
Okay.
So the cost set block again, take crosser.
Okay.
So this side are different floor entirely.
Okay.
So that make this one get another separate drain.
Okay.
This is why this drain not be like this one because this also the set block. So what means later again, if the consequence we will cut this one off again. Get another type of drain we want put for this place. They call it direct floor drain.
Okay.
Not for this place here. So we'll carry this particular spot water they come outside.
Okay.
While this one so that the tap when they for this bedroom this one so while these two called missile leg. I want school shower. I want to go
Okay.
for this place.
All right.
These two buildings so like one this particular fence now they demarcate them.
Okay.
So
This
one
one.
heater.
Okay.
So they control this two.
Okay. One heater now will control this
These
toilet
two
and
are
the
the
other
next one.
toilet will be behind this wall.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll
that
show
one.
that side.
Okay.
This one are the washing machine.
Okay.
The washing machine drill be this one. And the supply to the washing machine be this one.
Okay.
Now this one be the second glass bedroom. That be this one so.
It's all right.
So this one so that be the washing basin. Now the washing basin one day. And the supply of the washing basin that be this one so. This one are the floodry. Like I thought say now two floodry this bedroom.
Yes.
That be this one so. This one so now the bumper wash supply. Now bumper wash one day later. While this one so now the WC waste.
Okay.
This one so. While this one now WC supply.
Okay.
Now this one so. So from this place down to this place now glass one to this place.
Okay.
This have the remade bedroom.
Okay.
So this one have the floodry to this place.
Okay.
So like we shall say we don't close the mouth. In case if anything we don't block them. So later we'll cut them off, put direct floodry for this place.
Okay.
While this one now the tap to the bedroom be this one so.
Yes.
While this one so they call missile leg, the one screw the shower put.
Okay.
While this one so now the water heater tank one day later.
Yes.
So this right hand side be the cold supply. This left that be the hot supply.
Okay.
That's what it is. So this place that will forgive heater to the next bedroom because this place they share the same fence with that one.
Toilet.
So what the client request for.
All
So
right. That's fine.
let me go this third bedroom. This one are the third bedroom in this place.
All right.
This one the wash hand basin. Wash hand basin one day. The wash hand basin drain be this one. And the supply be this one. And the tap for the this bedroom be this one so. While this one be the missile leg, the missile or screw missile put. While this one be the heater, the water heater tank one day. This one like the cold supply, where's the hot supply.
Yeah.
This down one that be the floor drain for this place. This one that be the bumper wash supply, the bumper wash one day. This one so that be the WC waste. While this one so that be WC supply.
Okay.
So it's for this one.
Okay. So we don't finish. Okay, the kitchen now.
The just the kitchen.
All right.
So this kitchen,
yeah.
it get heater, it get smoke extractor.
Okay.
So this one so that be the wash and basin drain out. That be this one. While if you notice, you're saying you see two leg for
yes,
this place. So
yes.
this one so that be the cold supply. So that be the hot supply. Like
okay, from the heater.
From the heater.
When go to the kitchen.
Yes, just like I said before, say anything hot, they did left hand side. Yeah. Anything cold, they did right hand side. I started to design and put. Okay. So in case anybody come, goes to understand what thing they this place.
Okay.
While this one so like the water heater tank one day.
All right.
This one so that be the cold supply. This one so that be the hot supply.
Okay.
So I say everything get cap, we cap plug everything.
Yes.
To avert issue later. Why so that be the smoke extractor?
Okay, the smoke
extractor. So I say they go out, come for this place.
Okay.
So that be this one so.
Right.
So may I go show you around the house?
Okay, we don't throw for inside.
Yes.
On the second building, we don't come the outside. So Oga want to take us around. Oga, which one be this one?
So this one like the supply to this visitor toilet and be this one. So the supply and the lock be this one so.
Okay.
While this one that be the 4 inches drain out.
Okay.
That be this one so. While that be the wash and basin and the floor drain. That be this one so. For this visitor toilet. I go to the outside. This one so now one of those two glass bedroom.
Okay.
And the two number so this one that be the supply.
Okay. This one is supply to the 2 bedroom.
No, this one supply to this particular one.
All right.
That be also supply to this one so.
Right.
This one that be the floor drain and the wash and basin. Okay. That will be this one so. This one that the 4 inches waste. That be this one so.
Okay.
That be for this first side. This one is the like second one. Like the WC waste be this one so.
Okay.
While this one so that be the inch half and the wash and basin and the floor drain. That be one so. While that is supply to this place.
All right.
That be this one so.
All right.
So we'll show you this one. This one so now for fire you view because the wood all day.
Okay, wood cover them.
Yes.
We'll try now. We can just see and manage. Not true. Okay, now which one are they here? So
this one like this on that supply to this place. On that supply. So this one is supply to this place.
Okay.
The wash and basin drain and the floor drain. Everything they
down. Okay. They don't use this will take cover.
Take cover and make them. So I'll show you the kitchen side.
Be careful, this place. They be slippery.
This one so now the wash and basin will start with this one so.
Okay.
That be for so I'll show you the smoke extractor in this place. Because the region will not come past here because this one needed. We're not going to disturb their needed. So
okay.
From this place, because you can so this one like outside. Okay. So look at so that's gonna be the smoke extractor. Okay. So later after everything, we'll get to the first place. They call it balloon wire. Okay. When it's smoke they blow out. So now so it be for the entire building.
Oh, so we don't go around the entire work now. Yes. Okay. For the 2 buildings.
For the 2 buildings, yes.
So you say now most time for here, guy. Okay. You say now this is still and I choose this particular material.
Yes.
One I use.
Yes.
All right. So the work now contract not done.
Yes. Now contract to do the work.
Okay. So for the whole job now how much not done?
For everything, both the labor, the material, and the transportation, everything now 950.
950,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Because now quality things I will require. Okay. And take a little things so they do.
And now 2 buildings.
Now there are 2 buildings.
It's all right. So maybe give us your phone number for those who go live. Maybe they still contact you. Maybe come work for them.
Phone number is 091 5742 0976. Both WhatsApp and call. Anytime we will call you. All right.
Okay, I still have Mr. Benjamin's phone number will display for the under of this video. So if you need a reliable plumber and an experienced plumber man, you can contact them. So now first call us at CBC if not make we did there to inspect on our job for now as they do for this our esteem here. So we thank all of you now to the patronize all our partners for CBC. We really appreciate you now for our time. I'm saying God bless you now. Bye bye.